I was very impressed when I met Mr. Joe Nesari for the first time. Very.
Mr. Joe Nesari is a great friend and a great lawyer. I feel very lucky I found him.
I will definitely recommend Mr. Nesari.
He's helped me a lot about my case.
This man has something that we all need.
I'm very, very grateful to Mr. Nesari. He fight for me.
Hi, I'm Joe Nesari, and I make sure that your case is handled competently with a standard of integrity and kindness. The motto of every law firm is, of course, to represent clients professionally and competently. Another distinguishing factor I feel with our law firm is the second part of our mission. We want to maintain a standard of integrity and kindness because clients come to us for the issues that they have, the issues that touches their life. And they entrust us with those issues and the solution that we are able and hope to provide for them.
We hire Mr. Nesari because we both had a deportation. We came to his office and he interviewed us and we went into details, and he was very helpful, telling us what to expect.
In representing my client, I try to stand out in the sense that I always try to be available for my clients. Whether they're emailing me or calling me on the phone, I try my very best to have that personal connection with them.
We have representation from 4 different languages here to better assist the clients who come. One language, of course, is English. The other language, which is the primary language that the staff and attorneys speak, is Spanish. Farsi and Russian are the other 2 languages that we represent here. And again, all of that is done for a more effective communication with the client, for better understanding and better service to them.
Mr. Joe Nesari changed my life by directing me to the right direction.
Many immigrants are hesitant to talk with an attorney or to invest the time or money because they believe that they might not have any eligibility for any immigration remedy. That most of the time is not the case. And when they speak to a good attorney, one that is experienced in the field of immigration, many times they will find that there is a way that they could stabilize their immigration status.
When the client comes in, they meet with myself most of the time, or one of the other attorneys with the firm. And that is the consultation. They come in to ask questions and present their issue to us. Then I make a determination if it is something that we can assist them with, and if so, then I explain in detail as to what their issue is in fact, so that they understand, because sometimes the people have an issue, have a concern that they come in, but they don't quite fully understand the complexities of their task. So I first make sure that they understand what their issue and what their problem is, in addition to what they think it is.
And I think for most immigrants who come to this country, they come feeling disoriented, and especially if they are in immigration proceedings, it could be a little bit scary for them. So it's important for them to meet with an attorney and to feel secure with that attorney and know that once that attorney is working on their case, that they will be fine.
I was very much frightened, not understanding the whole concept where immigration is concerned. And so he humbly sat me down and gave me all the layouts and made me understand And right then and there, I knew and I felt comfortable dealing with him, and I would recommend him to anyone.
As a person, I have been on both sides of the immigration spectrum, and I had personally to go through the process in order to achieve green card and subsequently citizenship. I have experienced what my clients are going through firsthand.
Here at the law offices of Joe Nesari, we really value each client. I know a lot of firms and attorneys can say that, but we take interest in each client's situation, not because it's a unique situation, but I personally find these matters interesting, fascinating at times.
If there's one thing I like to say about Mr. Joe Nesari, he's a very patient man.
We don't want to rush this. Let this sit. Let us take a different approach to this. We'll maintain it. We'll be there with you all the way to the end. In the immigration field, you want your client and your case to take its course.
I have a passion as an immigration attorney in this particular field because I find it to be very fascinating work. I feel that by working with immigrants in their immigration case, I'm making a huge impact in their lives. Immigrants come to this country seeking the American dream, and I feel that when I work on their cases, I am assisting them in achieving that dream.
If I can help someone who, for example, came into the United States illegally, if I can help that person find a legal means to stay here and continue pursuing whatever it is they want, whether it is home ownership or the job that they've been looking for, or getting that green card, then that's not just personally satisfying, but it is my mission to find a way for that person to be able to stay here. So there's a link between the interest I have and the goals that my clients have.
Everyone comes here with an issue. A lawyer's job is to provide solutions.
If it wasn't for Mr. Nesari, my life wouldn't be destined to move forward positively here in the United States.
Mr. Nesari became more than a lawyer to us. He became like a brother.
I say thank you for Mr. Nesari because he fight a lot for my case.
I recommend my friend and my family to Mr. Nesari.
Thank you, Joe.
At the law offices of J.W. Nesari and the people who make up the law offices of J.W. Nesari, we strive to change people's lives for the better.